Welcome mums and dads. If your child needs a boost or is stuck on challenging maths, you're not alone. I'm here to share tips and encouragement that have helped thousands of kids and their parents feel a lot more confident about maths. You're doing great. So let's get started. Anyone can tell me what's the 5? The part that is filled with flour, yes. So this is the amount of flour that can fill into the container. It's like, no, I want you to think like this. Think about it. Think about the container now. Visualize a container and visualize that I can cut this container into 5 parts. So that will be my container. And then what is the 3? My question is what is this thing? Listen carefully. This 3 is made up of this plus this equals this. This when I start from here, I'm talking about an empty container. An empty container has weight. So the empty container plus the 3 parts filled is 10.84. So it's not the flour, it's not the container, it is the combination of the empty container plus 3 parts of flour. Yes, the goal is to find the mass of the container. Okay, the next portion, we have 3 here. Okay, this is the flour, but this is the flour that is what? No, the flour that is originally in the container or 1/3 of the container. Read the sentence, what does it say? 1/3 of the flour is removed. Is it the flour that is already in the container or 1/3 of the container? No, it is 1/3 of the flour that is already in the container. In other words, the 3 here is actually referring to the 3 here. And out of this 3, they are removing 1. So 1. The question here is saying after that, what happens? 8.5 kg. The question is mass of container. Are they asking you to calculate the container with things or without? The empty bucket, right? It's like finding an empty bucket. Like what you see? Feel free to share this with other parents to help them benefit from these learning videos. Together, we can make math way less stressful for everyone. Okay, I'm going to draw this model, 5 parts. I'm going to ask you a question. Your answer will determine whether you'll do this correctly in your exam. Does this include the container? Yes, this is the space in the container. But there is no container yet. Then you'll be like, then where's the container? Well, you have to draw a separate thing. Yeah, if there is no container, why is there space in the container, right? Okay, so the container is here. This is, so the thing I want you guys to remember for this question is, this kind of question is, always, I'm going to speak very slowly. When I speak slowly, it means you've got to memorize this. Always draw a model for the empty container, separate from the inside of the container. Draw the container with nothing in it, and then draw the space inside as a separate model. Understand? That will prevent confusion. So here, this is the empty container. Okay, this is empty, but it's a container, so there's weight. Guys, question: is 10.84 with or without container? So this is 10.84. When they remove this is 10.84. When they remove the 1/3, okay, so this part they remove. Wait, what is this? So this is your 8.5. So when you take 10.84 minus 8.5, you are finding what? 1 unit of what? Yes, flour only. Got container or no container? Does this look like there's a container or no container? No container, because I didn't include this. I already subtracted it. So this is no container. Okay, it's like measuring the flour on the weighing scale when you pour it up. Okay, no container. So no container should give you 2.34 kg. So this is, wait, this is 2.34, this is 2.34, that's what it means. But this is not 2.34, okay? So to find 2 units, you understand? So empty container, 8.5 minus 4.68, I don't know what this is, 3.82. Can you please check? I'm doing it mentally, I could be wrong. And that is the answer to the question. I'm so grateful to be part of your family's math adventure. Remember, confidence grows with every small step. So please join our supportive community by commenting, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Want more resources? I've gathered them in the description below for you.